This is Edward Lamb, and this is my final project for Advanced Audiovisual Computing, Year 3. It's an application for dynamically generating audio and visual feedback for that audio based on the theme of the ocean and marine life. It's dubbed underseaGeneration for that reason. Coded in openFrameworks, so it's C++, using a variety of plugins and add-ons. So yeah, I'll just jump straight into it. Presented with this screen here, and you can click with the mouse to create these objects, which, when they strike the bottom, produce tones, which in turn affects the background in various ways. There's full physics integration, so they can bounce off each other, and the floor to create interesting interactions and tones. And you can change the waveform by using the arrow keys. Sorry, the number keys at the top of the keyboard. So very basically, the program could be broken down into three core elements. That's the sound, the foreground, and the background. The background is a mesh which is generated from an image of the sea, funnily enough, and it's in a 3D space using EasyCam, and it's manipulated by various audio sources. The volume, for one, is modifying some warping in the center of the mesh, and an FFT, which is causing the EasyCam to zoom in and out towards and away from the mesh. And then on top of this, post-processing is providing some nice filtering and a nice noise warp effect, which looks like the top of the sea. In the foreground, there's an array list of Box 2D particles which are spawned by the mouse, and when they strike the bottom, they cause a Maximilian envelope to trigger, which is the source of the sound. The frequency of the resulting sound is due to where the particles strike on the bottom of the screen. Left is lower and right is higher. That's pretty much there is to it. There's a few other little bits going on with the effects, which are audio units as mentioned, and the FFT and a volume calculation is then applied on top of that to pass data to other areas of the program where it can be used to trigger various visual effects.